love this place, and I want more of these. Whenever this comes again, I will always be here.
I really enjoyed it. There's a lot of fun stuff to do. I think it was very good. I saw the dancing. They danced very good, I think.
Food, fun, businesses from the community, great music, entertainment, things for the children to do. I just hope that everyone gets a chance to come out and enjoy this. This is the Unity Fest here at Indian Creek Elementary School and in the Indian Creek community. It's exciting to see our families out, engaging. This is a really important time for us as a school district, considering everything that's happening in the world around our different cultures and the challenges, to show that we have to be united in order to make a better world for our students. So I would consider this event to be H-Pride certified. We're humanizing, it's a professionally organized, respecting each other's culture, it's done with integrity, dignity, and it's an empathetic approach to how we need to operate as a school district.
Celebrating unity of our families in DeKalb. The one thing you know about DeKalb County School District is the fact that we are such a diverse community with so many different cultures, and we embrace those cultures every day because that's what makes us so rich. It is one of our strengths. It is not a deficit for us, it is a strength. And being able to come out with our families, all of these families in this community, and embrace the fact that they are from different countries, but they are actually here in the same school district, learning and growing and really truly benefiting from the supports that we give them. So we're excited that we're able to come out in the community as a unit in the school district and celebrate and unify our families. You can see from the different cultures, the performances, the kids coming together, that there's definitely unity happening here with our students and our families. So we're excited about that.
At Indian Creek Elementary, where everybody's here celebrating the Unity Festival with all our different cultures in this area. Everybody's enjoying the food, the village, seeing all the different types of the countries that they have. They're bringing in their things from the country.
And there's a lot of different activities you could do. They will probably enjoy this place.
It's International Day. We are from Ethiopia. We are located in East Africa. And today we have a coffee ceremony. We have Ethiopian snacks like bread, popcorn, injera, and we have coffee roasted and then making coffee here. We have a cultural clothes here. And we have this beautiful project made by one of the students from Indian Creek Elementary School that shows Ethiopian traditional food, clothing, money, the CD and everything. We are happy to be here, thank you.
Here is a diverse city, so a lot of people come and try my food. I feel like that's so wonderful. If they like my food, I'm really happy for that. Yeah.
This is the mobile hub bus, and we come out to all the communities to service the students and the parents. We do a lot of reading activity on here. We do GED programs. We do Infamous Campus. We do registration. If you need us in our community, we're there.
Hello, I'm Dr. Adam Nykamp. I'm from Indian Creek Elementary School, and we are here today for the Unity Fest, which is an awesome partnership between our school and the DeKalb Department of Family and Community Empowerment. We are thrilled that all our families came out today to just have an awesome time playing games, buying things from our vendors, and just having a great time together in community. The partnership has been a wonderful thing this year.
I love this festival because we got to dance for people that want to see us dance.